Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade a spot on Travel Town. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here, when a spot requires an update, a green option with a house icon will be visible in that spot. This icon will appear only when you've got enough money in order to upgrade. So you'll have to keep in mind that you must have some amount of money in order to upgrade a spot. So tap on that icon, then click on Upgrade option. And that is how you can upgrade a spot on Travel Town. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.